Love bombing is a manipulative behavior where someone showers another with excessive attention and affection to gain control and influence. A love triangle is a tactic used in love bombing, where a person creates a romantic or emotional rivalry between two others to control and manipulate them. This can involve encouraging competition, using guilt or anger, and creating a sense of urgency or scarcity. Recognizing the signs of love bombing and love triangles is crucial to protecting oneself from emotional harm and potential abuse.